Amaroth the Sea Titan.
The
Cool.
comfort of my own home. I have a bird. I caught the bird. I got the egg. Where did I put the bird?
Oh, it's like a yo-yo.
Hello.
Oh.
I got a bird.
Congrats on your bird.
Oh.
Where's my bird?
Oh my gosh.
Mark, do you know where my bird is? My bird. I had the
It's still
bird.
floating there for 5 minutes. When it disappears, you can
Okay,
summon the boss
buddy,
again. Ah,
okay.
gotcha. Oh gosh, it's really whoa. It's like really bad.
Oh no, did I lose my bird?
What is happening? Oh gosh.
I have a bird. I swear, I got an egg, and then I had a bird.
You want me
It's
to
very-
restart the server?
Very cool.
I mean,
man,
to be
very
fair,
cool.
I also lost my bird earlier.
See, we're losing birds.
I knew it. I knew it. The laugh.
Where is my bird?
I knew the laugh was coming.
Wake up a bed.
Can we equip
Stop it.
physical range? Oh, this is for a range
Not
person.
funny.
Deal triple.
It was
amount
an
of
attacking
damage.
bird. Where is it?
Uh,
Bird.
I swear the people here.
Oh my god, it's wild. Oh, please.
Yeah. What?
Have you seen my bird, Mark?
No.
Oh, I have high ping, 100 ms. What the?
Does it look like?
A bird. It looks like a bird. Please give.
We can
I
talk
don't know. I
properly.
can't remember. I just took it out of the egg.
Oh gosh.
Stop laughing.
Oh, I should have gotten this one.
I
Oops.
really had a bird.
You're talking to Saladai, so I don't know what to tell you.
Oh my god. Oh, fucking
here.
crying.
Maybe it's on another equipment.
Oh,
Maybe
good.
I left it
Piercing
Somewhere.
shot? Is
in
this good?
the old face. My bird.
Very cool.
It took a while to hatch as well.
Okay, I'm good. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Going to my base.
The bird flew away because she never feed it? Oh.
Damn,
No,
that's
birdie. Oh, it
Bruh.
wasn't a bird. It's a rodent.
Oh, this is kind of nice. Wait, I kind of like this ricochet shuriken
I
a
have a
little bit.
rodent.
It's kind of nice.